This is another ready for occupancy 3-bedroom condominium located here inside the Cebu Business Park. I mean the Cebu IT Park. So this particular unit is located in Calix IT Park. This is a 3-bedroom, 104 square meters with including parking. This is with inclusion of a indoor parking lot, and what you see in this unit is what you can get. So this unit will be turned over is a fully furnished 3-bedroom, 2 toilet and bathroom. 1 bathroom is located in the master's bedroom, and then the other bathroom is a common bathroom, and you have a laundry area here that you can also turn as your storage area in this. And here you have the dining area, and your living area is separated. We will go there. And you have 2 balconies in this unit. 1 balcony is located in your living area, and your other balcony is located in the master's bedroom. Let's see what's the view that you can see in this balcony in your living area. Again, this is fully furnished. All of the appliances and furnitures will be turned over to you. And the balcony is really huge, that you can put a coffee table here. So this particular 3-bedroom unit is located at the 23rd floor of this building, the Calix Residences in IT Park. Those are the road that you can see below. And those are the views that you can see in this balcony. if you are looking for a 3-bedroom condominium ready for occupancy right inside the IT park, and I think this unit is one of the best option. This is a good unit. It's walking distance going the mall. You can see from here the Ayala Mall. There, that's the Ayala Central Block. And let's go back inside. This is the living area, and let's go to the kitchen. Let's check the cabinetry in the kitchen. That is the kitchen. You have space to put your gas range and the refrigerator in this side and on the other side here. And then you have overhead cabinets. And this is your dining area with a dining set, 6 chairs, and that is the laundry area. And this is the first bedroom. And the common toilet and bathroom. And this is the second bedroom. The same as the first bedroom, you have your beds and your closet. I will put the complete details of this condominium in the box below, the details. For the price, this is about 29,758,000. So it's 104 square meters, fully furnished, packaged with a parking lot, a indoor parking lot, high ceiling, and 3-bedroom unit with 2 balconies and 2 toilet and bathrooms. Now let's go to the master's bedroom. Queen size bed with 2 side drawers, lampshades, curtains, high ceiling, and let's check the toilet and bathroom for the master's bedroom. And you have your shower. And you have a walk-in closet. So this is going to the master's bedroom balcony with walk-in closet separated with a partition to your bed area, and this is going to your first bedroom, second bedroom, the common toilet and bathroom. Your living area is there and your balcony, and you have your dining area and the kitchen, and on the side is the laundry area, and here is your bed area and your toilet and bathroom. So this area you can also turn into your small home office, because I guess it's a little bit bigger area as your walk-in closet. And let's check what's the view of the balcony of this master's bedroom. So this is the laundry area, and you can also turn this area into your helper's room or your storage room. If in case you have a helper, you can make this at their quarter, no, because this area here has its own toilet and bathroom here. So in total, you have 3 bedrooms, the master's bedroom with own balcony and with own walk-in closet and toilet and bathroom, and you have first bedroom and second bedroom regular rooms with share common toilet and bathroom, and then you have the helper's quarter or your laundry area or your storage area with own toilet and bathroom, and you have your living area separated from the dining area and has its own balcony, and you have this kitchen. So this is what your 29 million can get here inside the Cebu IT Park in Calex. And to mention, you also have a parking, an indoor parking, if you are going to buy this particular unit. It's a fully furnished, almost brand new with parking.